Hey guys, it's Jason at Mustang Rehab. Sorry it's been a while since we've posted an update on the Bronco or just the progress on the Bronco, but we've been without a part, and without the apron I couldn't move forward because I have to have the apron to tie the Bronco to my rotisserie, and my next step once I get the apron on is to turn the Bronco over and finish welding out the floors from underneath. So it's kind of, I go about it systematically, and I kept looking for something else to do, and I just felt like I was going to be working out of order, and I kind of set in my ways, Johnny would say. So anyways, I apologize for the wait. We were going to do it tonight. We were going to get out there and start filming, and it's flooding outside, sort of remnants of the tropical storm that just came across the Gulf. So I can't do it, but I just, been having lots of questions and comments, and I didn't want you guys to think I've just abandoned you all, and just let you know that I'm going to put this apron on. You guys have seen me do the driver, so I'm going to put the passenger side on, and the next video we have out, hopefully by this weekend, we're going to be fitting the front fenders finally. Show you some of the issues I had with I'm going to have, I already know on the driver's side, and we'll see at the passenger how to get the fenders to bolt down without bending the supports and everything. I had a couple people ask me about quality of parts and who I've been ordering from. Again, I ordered from CJ Pony and Dennis Carpenter so far. I checked the thickness on this part because it felt so much more robust from Dennis Carpenter. This is 20 gauge sheet metal as opposed to 18 gauge, this is 18 gauge from Dennis Carpenter, and it's 20 gauge from CJ Pony. So there's going to be a little bit of difference from driver to passenger, but this is a much better part. So this is what we'll be using. I won't go on the rant on CJ. I'm disappointed. They treated me bad, and it's going to be a while before I use them again. I won't say I won't ever use them, but when I get a little aggravated, it takes me a while to get over it. So. Anyways, I want to also thank. I've had it's kind of really neat some of the things that you guys are doing for me, and I appreciate it. A guy, Gus Orion, I'm guessing your name is Gus, on Instagram, created a really cool just post for us where he was advertising our channel, which I thought was really neat. And I appreciate that more than you guys know. That helps get our name out. And on Facebook, I don't do Facebook a whole lot, honestly, but I joined it because of Marketplace, and then some buddies of mine have been getting me on the Bronco groups, and so I see a lot of that going on, but then I see my name mentioned, and then I offer to help a couple people, and then find out that there are people that actually watch my channel, and that's really cool. And so I appreciate that. You don't know how much, so y'all keep sharing me, and letting your friends know about my channel, and maybe it's just fun. I'm having a good time with it. Hopefully you guys are getting something out of it, and we will try to keep the content up and get back into videos more regular. I really appreciate you guys watching. Sorry this is another video of me just talking and you looking at me in a part. Promise that's going to change. It just sounded like rocks were thrown on top of my shop from all the rain, and you wouldn't have been able to hear anything. So back this weekend, guys, stay with us, tell your friends, and see you this weekend. Hope you have a great week.